In this video, I'll take you through the complete step-by-step process of creating a professional-grade fiberglass mold. Whether you're a beginner or experienced DIY enthusiast, this tutorial will help you learn how to make molds for furniture and other creative projects. Step-by-step guide to creating a fiberglass mold. Preparing the Gelcoat. The first step is to prepare the Gelcoat. You'll need the following materials: resin, calcium powder, marble powder, and hardener. Mix these components in the right proportions until you achieve a smooth, consistent mixture. This gel coat will form the initial surface layer of your mold. Waxing the masterpiece. Once the gel coat is ready, move on to the masterpiece that will be used as the base for the mold. Apply a generous layer of waxing cream over the entire surface of the masterpiece. This wax layer ensures easy removal of the mold later. Allow the wax to dry completely before proceeding to the next step, applying the silicone layer. After the wax has dried, coat the masterpiece with silicone. This layer captures the fine details of the masterpiece and forms the first layer of the mold. Ensure that the silicone is spread evenly for the best results. Adding fiberglass layers. Once the silicone layer is in place, it's time to strengthen the mold with fiberglass mats. Start by placing a fiberglass mat over the silicone-coated masterpiece. Apply the gel coat mixture prepared earlier onto the fiberglass mat to bond it to the silicone. Repeat this process 2 more times to create a total of 3 strong fiberglass layers. This step adds durability and structure to the mold. Applying a final silicone layer. After completing the fiberglass layers, add another layer of silicone on top. This step enhances the mold's flexibility and captures additional details. Creating the mold cover. To ensure your mold is sturdy and long-lasting, create a protective cover. Add 2 layers of fiberglass mat over the entire mold. Apply the gel coat between the layers to bond them securely. This cover will protect the mold and make it easier to handle during use. Drying and opening the mold. Once all the layers have been applied, allow the entire setup to dry completely. Drying time may vary depending on the environmental conditions and the materials used. Once the mold is fully set and hardened, carefully open it to reveal your finished fiberglass mold. Why this method works. This technique ensures that your mold is durable, detailed, and reusable for creating high-quality products. Using fiberglass and silicone provides the perfect balance of strength and flexibility, making this method ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Watch the full video to see each step in action and learn helpful tips along the way.